Welcome back to cleaning and pre-packing, day 3. Keeping the pre-packed items organized. Now I'm going to tell you my tip for keeping what you've pre-packed nice and organized. Pick up labels in different colors and color code the bins. Based on what room they go in, yellow for the kitchen, blue for the bedroom, white for the bathroom, and red for the living room. That way when it comes to packing the rest of your house, you'll know which bins that room will go in. Hi there, I'm Annette Marble. I'm with Key Realty. Now, deep cleaning. Wash your windows. Remove the screens and replace any torn screens if needed. Clean the glass on the fireplace and any other spaces that might have fingerprints. Dust your baseboard, your fan blades, and your blinds. Go in and dust the cabinets and the hard-to-reach places. Clean the carpets and wash the floors. Wipe down cabinets, doors, appliances, refrigerator shelves, the island, and the snack bar where shoes might have been kicking it. Bonus idea. Invest in a cleaning service to get a good deep clean of your home. This might range anywhere from $150 to $250, but it takes the stress off of you when trying to prepare your home for sale. And if you need any good referrals, DM me and I'll get those over to you. Buyers are always going to be looking closely at the things in your home, and the cleaner the home, the more appealing it will be. Buyers are ready to make a mental list of the things they need to do, and if they think that cleaning all those stained carpets, washing all the windows, it will give them a lesser value of your home. Thanks for watching, and as always, we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.